Hey guys, for our daily devotion, it's January 31, 2026. So 1 Peter 3, 1 to 2. Wives, in the same way, submit yourselves to your own husbands, so that if any of them do not believe the word, they may be won over without words by the behavior of their wives when they see the purity and reverence of your lives. A wife's conduct is louder than any sermon. Totoo yan, guys.
A wife's conduct is louder than any sermon.
Submission is not weakness, but a strong witness, as godly conduct can speak louder than words. Through purity and reverence, even unbelieving husbands may be drawn to Christ. Totoo to, guys, kasi it's very important talaga na hindi ka lang lagi sa salita or what, sa actions din. Diba, Dad, no? Para makita talaga ng husband mo na kung anong relationship mo kay God. Kasi talaga naman, ang daling magsalita, ang daling magpakitang tao for the sake lang na masabing holy ka or what. Pero yung consistency mo, makikita yan talaga. Diba? Kaya siguro ito, if you're watching, guys, kung yung husband mo, hindi pa kayo same ng relationship with God, siguro it's about time na unahin mo muna yung sarili mo, baguhin, bago yung nasa paligid mo. Kasi totoo rin niya, you cannot give what you do not have din eh.
Yes.
Kasi hindi mo siya mabibigay, hindi ka rin makakapagpakita ng proof or what. Kung hindi siya nakikita sa'yo, dapat consistent ka. And sabi ko nga, di ba, lagi na hindi mo talaga maloloko si Lord sa totoong intensyon na sa puso natin. Kasi maglalabas yun. Kahit anong tago mo, lalabas at lalabas. Kaya ako ever since, mas gusto ko magpakatotoo kasi ito ako eh. Diba, kung magkamali man ako, a-admit ko yun. So, yun. And yun, di ba, Daddy, binabasa rin kami ni Heinz. Magta 31 days na rin kami,
Yes.
na malaking tulong for us din to remind lang na paging strong relationship namin at relationship namin kay God. Never din kami nakakalimot na umaga pa lang si Lord talaga. As in, literal na kahit cliche siya, dapat si God talaga yung first, bago yung wife or husband mo, and then yung mga anak or
God
what.
first, family, and work.
Yeah, ganun talaga, guys.
That are my priorities.
Yeah, so